Let's say that we are entitled to a discount from our supplier and we want to calculate the discounted price. Okay, so for example, our supplier has given us a 10% discount on all items for our next order. Okay, I'm going to insert a new column right after the supplier's price. I'm going to right click there and insert. Okay, great. Now I'm just going to have this same formatting as this. I'm going to format this over here. So I want the dollar format. So yep, great. And we're going to call this discount. Great. Okay. So basically what we want in the discount is to say that F3 is going to equal whatever E3 is minus 10%, or inversely times 0.9%. So we're going to say this equals whatever's in here times, so we can either write 90% or we can write 0.9. Okay, it does the same function, but let's just write 90% here. Okay, so great. So $10 was the previous price. We have a 10% discount and now it's $9. So I'm going to apply this to the whole column right there. Now the total ASIN cost that we have over here that we did previously is still referencing column E. So we wanted to reference the new discounted price. So there's a couple ways to do this. Okay, so I can either come here and retype this whole formula, and instead of saying use E3, I can edit this. I can put I can delete the E and put F. So now notice that just got highlighted, and hit enter. So now it's $9 plus 70 cents equals $9.70. So that's one way we can do it. Another way is we could just hit F2 or double click on this. Okay, and then we can grab this number, we can grab this cell just from there, and we can move it to whichever point we want. So we want it there. So that's another way we can do it. So let's just I'll just show you from this next one. So this one is currently drawing from this, but we want to use the discounted price. So I'm going to grab it, wait for it to become like a little arrow, and then point it there. Okay, now let's apply this to the whole column. Double click there. Okay, so now the ASIN cost is using the discounted price as opposed to the original price. Okay, so what do we do if we have different discounts for different products? Okay, let me show you. So I'm just going to delete column F. Okay, now notice that the ASIN cost has changed. It's got this ref error appearing there. That's because we were referring to a column that no longer exists. So to fix that, we can highlight this portion here. So remove this, and basically instead point to the previous one, so the original cost. So I'm going to hit enter again, and now it's back to $10.70. I'm going to apply this to the whole column. So we fixed that now. Our supplier has given us different discounts on different items. So we want to apply these discounts to the original price. So how are we going to do this? I'm going to insert two new columns after the original price. So to insert two columns, you can just grab the two columns to the right of where you want to insert it and right click and say insert. You can do this if you want to insert 3 or 4 or 5, do the same thing. You just grab the columns that you want to insert and you say insert. I just inserted 4 new columns, so I'm just Control Z that one. Now I'm going to name one column discount percentage, and the next one I'm going to call it price with the $sign after discount. Okay, I'm just going to expand these so they're both visible. Just grab them both like that, double click right there, and I've expanded them. Now I'm going to format them to have this type of formatting. So I'm going to format that and format that. Okay. Now I have some random percentages here. I'm just going to grab these, and just copy them in there. Okay. So we're assuming some have a 10% discount, other items have a 5% discount. Let's calculate the discounted price now. So in cell G3, what I'm going to type is I'm going to say it equals E3, which is the supplier's original price, multiply that, so the time symbol, and I'm going to put a bracket in, and I'm going to say 100% minus whatever is in cell F3, so right there. And now I'm going to close that bracket, and now we have $9. So we have, because it's a 10% discount, we have $10 minus the 10% discount equals $9. The next one, it's a $5 product with a 10% discount, $4.50. So let's apply this to the whole column, and there we go. So we have. So if we're going to adjust a discount for any of these, so let's say this one here, we don't have a 10% discount, we have a 25% discount. There, the price was instantly adjusted. Or let's say if it was a 50% discount, type in 50, the price is now $3.30, 50% off $6.60.